Arkansas Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 6.
Question 1. On a slippery surface, what is the most effective braking method?
Alternate applying front and rear brake. Both front and rear brakes. Front brake only. Rear brake only.
Answer.
Both front and rear brakes.
Question 2. Help stabilize your motorcycle in a turn by
Pulling in the clutch. Decreasing the throttle. Increasing the throttle. Applying the rear brake.
Answer.
Increasing the throttle.
Question 3. When riding on the road, you should create more space and minimize harm from any hazard by
Adjusting direction or position. Using lights or horn. All these answers are correct. Adjusting the speed.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 4. While gripping the handlebars, your arms should be positioned
Anywhere on the handle grips. With elbows locked. So they are slightly bent. With elbows at 90 degrees.
Answer.
So they are slightly bent.
Question 5. If your motorcycle is not equipped with a windshield, you must
Wear safety goggles or a face shield. Drive on paved roads only. Get your motorcycle equipped with a windshield before riding. Avoid carrying passengers.
Answer.
Wear safety goggles or a face shield.
Question 6. If approaching a blind intersection with the stop line, where should you stop?
At the stop line first, then further to help see. Past the stop line, where you can see clearly. On the stop line. At the stop line only.
Answer.
At the stop line first, then further to help see.
Question 7. If your throttle is stuck and twisting it does not release it, you should
Use engine braking. Pull the kill engine switch. Use the front brake only. Apply both brakes.
Answer.
Pull the kill engine switch.
Question 8. Help balance your motorcycle while turning by
All these answers are correct. Keeping both knees against the gas tank. Leaning the opposite way of the motorcycle. Dragging your feet on the ground.
Answer.
Keeping both knees against the gas tank.
Question 9. One rule of riding in a group is
All these answers are correct. Don't tailgate. Maintain a staggered formation. Check your mirrors frequently.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 10. When you ride a motorcycle on slippery pavement, you should to avoid a skid.
Reduce your speed. Accelerate. Lean your motorcycle to any direction. Shift to a higher gear.
Answer.
Reduce your speed.
Question 11. Ride more safely at night by
Increasing your speed and decreasing your following distance. Reducing your speed and increasing your following distance. Reducing your speed and decreasing your following distance. Increasing your speed and increasing your following distance.
Answer.
Reducing your speed and increasing your following distance.
Question 12. Motorcycle drivers cannot drive on highways
Without a helmet and proper protective gear. During rush hour. At night, because your lights aren't bright enough. Unless you can travel safely at the minimum posted speed.
Answer.
Unless you can travel safely at the minimum posted speed.
Question 13. Begin signaling. Feet before making a turn.
200. 100. 50. 75.
Answer.
100.
Question 14. Drivers in other vehicles present a particular hazard when
You are passing a row of parked cars. You are driving through a school zone. You are parking your vehicle. You are making a right turn.
Answer.
You are passing a row of parked cars.
Question 15. In order to cross railroad tracks safely, you should cross them at an angle of at least degrees.
20. 90. 45. 120.
Answer.
45.
Question 16. If there are hazards on the road to your right, which lane position should you ride in?
3. 2. 1. 1 or 2.
Answer.
1 or 2.
Question 17. Wearing a face shield on a motorcycle
Is not as effective as wearing goggles. Is legally required by all riders. Is the best form of face and eye protection. Is only required by riders under the age of 18.
Answer.
Is the best form of face and eye protection.
Question 18. If you experience a weaving feeling while riding over metal grating, what should you do?
Decrease your speed. Relax and maintain speed. Increase your speed. Grip the handlebars tightly to stop the feeling.
Answer.
Relax and maintain speed.
Question 19. Before you mount your motorcycle for a trip, you should check the
All these answers are correct. Fluids. Tires. Signal lights.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 20. When riding at night, you can increase your safety by
Wearing reflective clothing. Using your high beam. All these answers are correct. Reducing your speed.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 21. The best group formation for riding through curves is
A V-shaped formation. Single file. In pairs. The staggered formation.
Answer.
Single file.
Question 22. When evaluating potential hazards, you should be looking for.
All these answers are correct. Traffic controls. Road characteristics. Other vehicles.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 23. While your feet are on the footrests, you should avoid
Using the handbrake. Turning corners. Riding on slippery surfaces. Pointing your feet downwards.
Answer.
Pointing your feet downwards.
Question 24. If you are about to pass a parked car with the driver in the seat, you should
Beep your horn. Come to a complete stop. Flash your brake light. Wave your arms.
Answer.
Beep your horn.
Question 25. You should use both front and rear brakes to stop.
At all times. On hills and curves. In emergencies only. You should never use both front and rear brakes at the same time.
Answer.
At all times. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.